Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to find out trend of any stocks or future index. It is very simple. As per this concept, we don't use any indicators. We just analyze the candlestick patterns. Let's see how it's work. We need 5 candlestick time frame: weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay. This is the concept. First, we take these type of 4 candlestick patterns and mark the 50% of these candles. And if the closing is below this 50%, it means sellers are more. If it's above, then buyers are more. Okay. Red or green doesn't matter. Just check the close. So this is Fires One web trading platform. If you wish to open free trading account with Fires, I given the link below in the description box. Just click it and fill your details. You can open a free trading account online. Okay, here you can get all this time frame. First one, we are just check for weekly. So previous week we just check. So it show a downtrend, but we didn't know about, there is no surety about the candle is closed above or below 50%. So just use Fibonacci levels. Here you can get Fibonacci level and just mark the low to high. Okay, you can see the candle is closed just above the 50%. Okay, that means weekly trend is it's bullish. Then next one we check daily trend. So just check previous day. This is the previous day trend. Just check it. The same thing we are doing here. Fibonacci level. Just drop Fibonacci level and note it. Okay, it's below the 50%. That means previous day trend is bearish. Then 4 hour trend. Okay, previous day last 4 hour. This is the previous day last 4 hour. See, it's a downtrend only. In the candle is closed below the 50%. So 4 hour also downtrend. Then 1 hour. This small one is the 1 hour. So we get a confusion about it. So just draw Fibonacci level. Okay, it's hard to find the 50% above or below. So I just made an Excel sheet. So it show weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes. All you do is just apply the value. If you want weekly trend, just click here weekly and note down this value. The values are here. The top side you can get the values. Okay, so just note down the value weekly and apply here like that way. Daily 4 hour, 1 hour and 30 means 1 hour also you can check previous day, and 30 minutes after market open. We are just check with don't do any trading 30 minutes. That means 9:50 to 9:45. Don't do any trade, just watch the market movement. Okay, this is the 30 minutes candle. So 30 minutes also show a downtrend because it's closed below the 50% of candle. So we just place all this value here. So here weekly is uptrend and last 1 hour, previous day last 1 hour also uptrend, and rest of all show downtrend. So overall it's showing a downtrend only. When the market is showing a downtrend, don't go for buy. It's a trend is sell trend. And main levels to watch, these levels also, this candle calculate the level also. So let's see. So after this, after 30 minutes, just mark the candle is close here. That means 11,881 level it's closing. So in our sheet, is there any level is nearby? Okay, 11,896 and 871. Just mark it. 896 and 11,871. These are the two levels near. So after 30 minutes, just wait, the candle is touch these levels. Okay, see, this is a 9:45 here, so we draw a line. See, after that market is goes up and it's close above the level. See, but we know about that trend is down, so don't go for sell, just wait for the breakout failure. So here it's a failed and its candle is close below the level, so we can go for sell here and place a stop loss to candlestick above. That means here you can place a stop loss above this level. Okay, see, after that market is comes down and next level 11,871. Just wait, see, it's close below the level, then again it comes down only, again it goes up and the candle is close above, but next candle is close below because the trend is down. That's why it's not able to move upward, it's keep on comes down. See, it just touch the level here also, but it's failed and it comes down. Okay, so this scanner definitely help to know about the trend as well as the main levels to watch. Okay, if you any stocks, you can check with the like any stocks you can check like this way, this method. After market open, you, as per this strategy, after market open don't do any trading 30 minutes to find out the trend. Bank Nifty also you can use by help of this scanner. Okay, first we need the time frames, weekly, monthly, weekly and daily, 4 hour and 1 hour 30 minutes, and just analyze the candles cross below or above the 50 minutes 50 percentage. You can use Fibonacci levels, and my premium members, you can use this scanner. uh, Updated this to our website. Visit my website nicholasnilo.com. There scanner section, screener section, NSE scanners, just click it. Here you can find so many other scanners in the, just scroll down bottom. See, here you can see trend finder and click here to download. Once you click here, the scanner will be download and you can use it. Okay, you can use for future index, future stocks, and just apply the value here. Okay, so you can get the trend of the stocks as well as main levels to watch. If the trend is down, don't go for buy. If for trend is up, don't go for sell. Okay, hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasnilo2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasnilo.com. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.